project 2009 Corolla S that we're working on, and today I'm going to cover how to change a tail light. You can see on this one right here it's broken, and so we're going to replace this portion of it. So the other portion there is just fine. So we've got a new one right here, all clean and shiny. So, but for you to take this off, it's very easy. But first, this little trim piece right here, and I've taken it off so I can more easily show you. So there's two clips in it, and they just look like this. So just use some type of trim removal tool and pop those out. And then you pull on the bottom section here and pull that out, and then it lifts up and out of the way. So you can get that out of the way. That reveals your trim over here. There were two more clips, one here and one here. Use your tool again and pop those off. And there's actually one back up here too. One more right there. There it is, goes right there. So you remove those. This will allow you to bend this back and get it out of the way far enough so that you can work. So this isn't quite the way this looks, because this car on the previous owner used it for towing behind an RV. So he's got some extra light connections that we're going to be taking out. And on the back of this, see if I can get some light for us. One sec. There we go. That's better. So there are three nuts. You can see one there, and there's one right there, and there's another one buried down below. It looks just like this one right there. So, and to get those, they're just push on. So take your trim removal tool and get it behind it, and just kind of, there you go, just kind of work it off. So do those two, get your handy socket. This is a battery one. There you go. And take off the three nuts. Do the last one here and then be right back. So once those are out, you can see it's loose. So this will just come out. There's one more clip, and I'll actually show you on the new one so you get an idea. So there's one clip right here. It's just a push clip, so it's the pressure one. So if you get your hand under it, there we go. So it'll come apart like that. So I disconnected the connector already. So there's the old one and the new one. So the only connector I'm worried about is this one right here. So we're getting rid of all this crap that was on there. And the installation is the reverse. Snap it in. You got three nuts to put on. Make your connection, and then put the trim pieces back on, and you're done. It's a nice, easy swap if you ever have to change one of your tail lights.